Tonight, Missouri's Attorney General is pushing back against gun control legislation in St. Louis. He says several proposed laws supported by Mayor Tishaura Jones, are unconstitutional.
5 on your side's Mercedes McKay joins us in studio with why the AG says he'll take legal action if necessary.
It's not just the AG who's coming out and saying the proposed gun legislation violates the state's constitution. Other Missouri Republican leaders are speaking out as well. They believe stricter gun laws aren't the answer to deterring violence in our city.
St. Louis has enough problems. We don't need the mayor trying to violate the Constitution.
Less than 24 hours after St. Louis Mayor Tishaura Jones announced new action on gun safety legislation, Missouri Attorney General Andrew Bailey is fighting back.
This is a major tourist destination for the people of the state of Missouri, and so she's not going to be allowed to violate the state constitution to enact a radical agenda.
The AG claims the mayor's proposed laws would violate the Second Amendment. Some of that anticipated legislation includes prohibiting military-grade weapons on city streets, preventing the transfer or sale of guns to minors, and taking action on ghost guns and similar untraceable firearms.
We're coming together around a shared vision, a safer, stronger St. Louis that's ready to stand up for our values.
State Senator Nick Schroer says he was dumbfounded by the announcement, even citing a story 5 on Your Side did back in July, after the mayor's text messages, which were obtained under an open records request, showed her arguing community investment does more to prevent crime than strict gun laws.
Just a couple months ago, it was when she said gun control doesn't work, and here we are rolling out something that on its face is blatantly unconstitutional, and it doesn't work.
Schroer believes the gun control legislation will only get tied up in court, and the solution lies in manpower and enforcement.
That's where this is going to be solved, is putting more police on the ground to work with the community to stop crime at the very start of it.
While the AG is calling on the mayor to cease and desist, he says he's ready to defend the rights of the law.
We will take legal action and put a stop to it.
Now, recently a new bill was passed to regulate open carry weapons in the city. I asked the Attorney General why he didn't speak out against that legislation, but is so vocal about the new proposed laws. He says that's because the open carry bill wasn't unconstitutional, but this new legislation is.